Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to delete your Cara account permanently. So you need to go your profile page, right bottom corner on your screen, it's called a profile page. So once you tap on the profile page, then you need to tap here edit profile and scroll down little bit, then you'll see the option delete account, delete my account. Simply tap here, then you have to type the phrase here. So like there is some process you have to follow, like send feedback. Simply tap send feedback, then you'll get the Google form. So you have to input some criteria. So like there is something like Cara username optional you can give, or why you delete it here. So you can mark something or reason, and additional feedback, comments, and your answers to submit. Then you will get the phrase, then you have to give the phrase on this here, then your account will be deleted permanently. So okay friend, today is no mind. See you in the next video.